Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This is the video for students of class 3 subject English. So before we start with our video, let us read one good thought. It always seems impossible until it is done. Written by Nelson Mandela. So that this thought shows you that the things are difficult in the beginning. When you start doing something, it will be very difficult for you in the beginning. But that doesn't mean that you will give up. Always beginning is difficult. But when you keep on going, you don't give up. You keep on doing that thing again and again, then impossible will be possible. So never give up. Never stop doing that. These instructions are common as you get to know every day from me and you follow this. Don't tease others. Don't watch TV while eating. Take part in physical activities like outdoor games. Be friendly and don't fight with others. Do your homework regularly. Don't scribble on the walls. Throw the rubbish in the dustbin and don't accept the gift from strangers. In our today's video, we will continue with lesson number 10. This is the fourth video for the same lesson, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. I will explain what I have explained in the previous video, just a short revision. Then we will continue with the notes from where we had discontinued. We will continue from there and we will solve the worksheet for the same chapter. Let us begin. So in our previous video of lesson number 10, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls, we had started with the notes. We had read hard words. As you can see, the hard words I am scrolling so that you can just remember we have learned all these hard words. After that, we saw the meanings of the same lesson. After meanings, we read give one word. That were 3. And then we read fill in the blanks. How many? 5. Fill in the blanks. Then we read complete the following. CF. How many? 4. So in our previous video, we had read till the last. Complete the following number 4. In the third doll, the wire entered the heart and did not come out. Now we will continue from the next topic, true or false. So in your rough book, when you are watching the video, I hope you are all writing it as always. So give the heading true or false. You should give the heading true or false and then you will write number 1 as we learn and read. So, number 1. A sailor came to Krishnadevaraya's court. It is false. Why is it false? Because we know that a sailor had not come. Who had come to king's court? A merchant had come who had brought 3 dolls with him. So, a sailor is the one who sails the ship. But sailor had not come, a merchant had come to Krishnadevaraya's court. So here the answer will be false because here the word is given sailor. But you can also learn the spelling S-A-I-L-O-R, sailor. Number 2, the ministers were asked to find out the difference among the 3 dolls. Is it true or false? Were the ministers asked to find out the difference among the 3 dolls? Yes, it is true because the ministers were really asked by the merchant to find out the difference among the 3 dolls. Means merchant asked permission from the king and king ordered the ministers to find out the difference among the 3 dolls. So it is true. Then, number 3, the ministers failed to find the answer. Yes, that is correct. Because when the king gave the 3 dolls to the ministers, he gave him 3 days. He gave all the ministers the time of 3 days, but none of the ministers were able to find the answer. They failed to find the answer. Means they were not able to find the answer. So that is true. Only then he called Tenali Rama. Number 4. Tenali Rama was asked to solve the mystery at last. True. At last means when all the ministers tried hard for 3 days and none of the ministers were able to find the answer, then King Krishnadevariya, what did he do? He called Tenali Rama at last, because he was the only one left and he was the smartest, he was the wisest ministers. So Tenali Rama was successful and he solved the mystery at last. It is true. Number 5. Everyone was impressed with Tenali Rama and realized the problem could have more than one answer. So that is true. So everyone, you see, all the people in the court and all the people standing there, they were really impressed. Means they really liked the answers which were given by Tenali Rama. He gave 2 answers, right? The doll, first doll, which is good, the second is average and third not so good. And then he gave one more answer in which the first doll was bad, the second was average and third was good. So he had 2 different ways of looking at a particular situation. You should think from your side as well as from the other person's side, from the other person's point of view. So if you are able to understand someone and if you are able to look the way they are looking at the situation, then you are successful in that. So everyone was impressed because every problem has more than one solution. You just have to think about it. Then we have question and answers of the same chapter, lesson number 10. We will discuss the question answers and I hope you already written in the fair book. So let us read and understand. Number 1. What did the merchant tell the king? What did the merchant tell the king? The merchant who had come to the king's court, what did he tell the king? The merchant said, I would like to test the wisdom of your ministers. What did the merchant say? I would like to test the wisdom of your ministers. Means I want to check how smart they are, how smart your ministers are. That is what merchant asked the king. Merchant asked for the permission. That would you give the permission? I want to take the test of your ministers' wisdom. Means their smartness, their mind, how much sharp their brains are. So that is what he said to the king. I would like to test the wisdom of your ministers. So students, be very careful when you write this answer. See this inverted commas, open, inverted comma, close. That is single inverted comma. You have to open over here, you have to close over here, and end with a full stop. Write the same way. Okay. Then number 2, who was Tenali Rama? Very easy question and also an important one because this lesson is based on him. So who was Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was the intelligent minister in King Krishnadevariya's court. Who was he? He was the intelligent minister. Means he was really very smart. He had got brains and he used them wisely. He was the intelligent minister. Here the word intelligent is very important. You have to write that word. Means smart. INTELLIGENT. Intelligent. Tenali Rama was the intelligent minister in King Krishnadevariya's court. Means he worked for him. Like all the ministers are sitting over here, you can see Tenali Rama was one of them. Next. Number 3. Why did the king not call Tenali Rama initially? Now see, initially means in the beginning, before. First of all, king called all other ministers. Before, when the merchant came, he gave the 3 dolls. At that time, on that day, the king did not call Tenali Rama. He called all other ministers. Why did he not call Tenali Rama initially? Means before. So he thought that the problem would be very simple. King Krishna Devariya, he thought that problem would be very simple. Means any of the ministers can solve this problem. He did not know that the problem would be very difficult for all the ministers and none of them would be able to find the answer. So the king thought that problem is very, very simple. It is very easy problem and any of my ministers will be able to solve this problem, this quiz, the difference among the 3 dolls. So according to him, the problem would be very simple. So he did not call Tenali Rama because Tenali Rama was very intelligent minister. He was not called for easy problems. He was only called for hard problems. So he did not call him before. Number 4. What did Tenali Rama announce in front of the whole court? Tenali Rama came when the 30 days got over and when that merchant had come to the court. On that day, Tenali Rama came and announced something, like you announce how the person speaks in the mic and announces, like that he announced loudly. What did he announce? He announced in front of the whole court that he had found the difference among the dolls. This was his answer. See, half of the answer is from the question itself. He announced in front of the whole court. Announce in front of the whole court. That much is same. You just have to remember this much. He had found the difference among the dolls. He came and he announced, he spoke very loudly. He had found the difference among the dolls, means he had got the answer. He had solved the puzzle. Number 5. Was it proved that the king's court had vice ministers? Means, you know that merchant had come to take the test of the ministers and he wanted to check whether there are vice ministers in this King Krishna Devariya's court or not. So, were there vice ministers? Was it proved? Means, really, were the ministers wise? Were they smart? Was it proved that? Yes, it was proved that King's court had wise ministers. So only this much is the answer. Yes. Rest is from the question. It was proved. Instead of was it, you have to write it was. Yes, it was proved that the King's court had wise ministers. And how was it proved? It was proved with the help of Tenali Rama. Because Tenali Rama solved the puzzle. He found out the difference among the 3 dolls and so it was proved that King Krishna Devariya has wise ministers. Otherwise, if Tenali Rama would not be able to find the answer, then no one would be able to find the answer. But he found the answer, he found the difference among the 3 dolls. Hence, he proved that King Krishna Devariya has wise ministers in his court and he saved his reputation, he saved his image. Now, what are we going to solve? We are going to solve the worksheet. Worksheet of lesson 10, Tenali Rama and the 3 dolls. This worksheet is really important because the questions will be asked from this worksheet also. So, some of the students, they do not write the worksheet in fair book, but let me tell you, you have to write the worksheet in the fair book. I will be sending the worksheets PDF in your WhatsApp group. After that, you can write it in the fair book with neat and clean handwriting. As of now, while watching the video, you have to write this worksheet one time in the rough book. This is the worksheet of lesson 10, Tenali Rama and the 3 dolls. Here, question 1. Choose the correct answer, that is MCQ. MCQs are there in your exams every time, that you already know. So, let us read number 1. In the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, what quality of courtiers did the merchant want to test? Means, in this story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, the merchant had come to the king's court for what? What test did he want to take of the ministers? What did he want to check of the ministers? Honesty, wisdom, patience, or generosity? What did he want to check? He wanted to check the wisdom of the ministers, means how much wise they are, how much knowledge do they have. Wisdom means knowledge. The merchant had come to check, to test the knowledge, the wisdom of the ministers. So he took the permission from the king. So wisdom is the correct answer, option B. I hope you are writing it. Number 2. In the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, when did the merchant say he would be back for an answer? So in this story that we studied of Tenali Rama, the merchant gave the three dolls and said, I will come back exactly after dash days. How many days time did he give for solving this puzzle? He gave the time of 30 days. That means how much? In 3 days, in a month, in a week, or in 30 hours. He gave the time of a month. He said, I will come back exactly after 30 days. So that is 1 month. 30 days, 1 month. So, option B, in a month, that is the correct answer. Number 3. In the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, how did the three dolls look? See, the three dolls you can see over here. How do they look? Old, beautiful, pure, or identical? See, is there any difference among these three dolls? No, they are same, means identical. Identical means what? Same. They look exactly same. So in this story, there were three dolls that looked identical. Option D is the correct answer. IDENTICAL. Identical. Then, question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. These are extra fill in the blanks from the worksheet. Number 1. Although these dolls look dash, each of them is dash in some way, said the merchant in the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls. So although the three dolls look similar, means though they are same, but each one is different, means each of the doll number 1, doll number 2 and doll number 3, they are different from each other. There is something which is different in them. So they look similar, means they are same, but they are actually different. So two answers are there, similar and different. Number 2. See here, we have to write the same words. Differ, difference. We have to write the noun form. What do we write? The noun form. Differ, difference. Permit, permission. Permit, permission. Prove, proof. Prove, proof. These are the answers given in green color. Different, differ, difference. Permit, permission. Prove, proof. So proof is the noun form. Prove is the verb form. See, here is the verb, here is the noun. Here is the verb, here is the noun. Same way, prove is the verb, proof is the noun. So these are verbs and nouns. Number 3. Tenali Rama said, these three dolls are different because one of them is good, one is average, and one not so good. So the answer given by Tenali Rama was like this. He differentiated the dolls based on this, that one doll was good, one was average, means medium, and one was not so good. So good, average, these are the two answers. Average means not very good and not very bad. Question number 3. State true or false. Write whether the following sentences are true or false. In the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls had no difference. Is it that there was no difference among the three dolls? False. It is absolutely false, because all the three dolls were different in some way or the other. So here it is written that in this story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, there was no difference between the three dolls among the three. So it is false. Then number 2. In the story, Tenali Rama found out the difference between the three dolls easily. Did he find it very easily? Was it easy for Tenali Rama to find the difference between these three dolls? So it is false, because he took so many days, around 25 days, more than 25 days he took for finding the answer. So it was not very easy for him, because the merchant had given 30 days and 3 days were wasted because the ministers were trying to find the answer. After that 27 days were left. So that day's time was given to Tenali Rama, and it was not very easy, so it is false. Number 3. In the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, each doll had a hole in its mouth. So that is also false, because in this story, the dolls had the hole in their ear. In their ears there was a hole, not in the mouth. So that is false. And as there was the hole in their ear, Tenali Rama was able to spot the difference as he put the wire inside the ear, and the wire came out from different places. So that is false. They did not have the hole in their mouth. Now match the following. What is the thing that we have? Match the following. 5 options are given here and 5 answers. Let us see, and then we will match. What's the first one? ACKNOW LED GE. Acknowledge. SALUTE. Salute. MERCHANT. Merchant. IDENTICAL. Identical. COURT. Court. Then answers are given. TRADER. Trader. ADMIT. Admit. SAME. Same. PALACE. Palace. WISH. Wish. Now here we have to match. So let us see. Number 1. What is given? Acknowledge. Where will you match? Acknowledge. Acknowledge means admit, to say yes, that you agree. So acknowledge means admit. Number 2. Number 1 will match with number 2, admit. Then we have salute. You know how to salute, right? So salute means what? Salute means wish. Number 5. Then merchant. Who is a merchant? Merchant is a businessman who does business. So that is trader. Trader is also the person who does a kind of business. So merchant, businessman means a trader. Then identical. The three dolls looked identical, means they looked same. So that will match with number 3. Identical means same. And the last one, which is pending, court. It was king's court, means it was king's palace. All the courtiers were sitting in the king's palace. So court, palace, that is the answer. Then let us read the question answers. These question answers are just for the practice. No need to write in the fair book. Number 1. What was the foreign merchant's response to the solution in the story Tenali Rama and Three Dolls? When the answer was given, when Tenali Rama gave the answer, what was the merchant's response? The merchant was very impressed with Tenali Rama's wise answer. The merchant liked it a lot. He was impressed. He smiled and acknowledged his greatness. That merchant smiled and he accepted that yes, Tenali Rama was great. He was very intelligent. Number 2. In the story of Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls, who solved the puzzle of the Three Dolls? We know that Tenali Rama, an intelligent minister in the king Krishnadevaraya's court, solved the puzzle. What were the words he used to describe the difference between the dolls? How did he say that the dolls are different? Which words did he use? He described the dolls as good, average, and not so good. He said one doll is good, the second one is average, and the third is not so good. What was used to demonstrate the difference between the dolls in the story Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls? Which thing was used to show? Demonstrate means to show the difference. What did Tenali Rama use to show the difference between the three dolls? Which thing did he use? What was the difference? So a thin wire was inserted in the hole present in each doll's ear. See, there is a thin wire. Can you see over here? That was inserted in the ear of the three dolls. That was used to show the difference. One wire came out from the mouth, the other went out from the other ear, and the third wire went directly in the heart of the doll. So that is how he used the wire. So these were the extra questions. These question answers are not to be written, but match the following you have to write. Also you will write true or false, you will write FB, and you will write MCQ in the fair book. So today we have solved the worksheet of lesson number 10. Also, what did we do today? Except for solving the worksheet, we learnt true or false, we learnt question answers that you will write in the fair book of the same lesson, lesson 10. Do complete your fair book, keep doing the homework regularly, and thank you.